Are you pushing your rimfire to the limits? Are you trying to reach the target way out there? Maybe this is the ammunition for you. Keep watching. The SK Long Range Match is SK's specialty ammunition for shooting at longer ranges. It features a 40 grain wax coated bullet that leaves the muzzle at 1099 feet per second in a 26-inch barrel. I suspect we're gonna see a little bit lower velocities in my 20-inch barrel. The cartridge looks very good, as SK ammunition always does. As usual, I'm gonna start with a clean rifle and shoot 10 rounds through the chronograph to acclimate the barrel and to see what the velocity is in my rifle. After I have done that, I will shoot 5 5-shot groups and then measure the groups and get an average. I have high hopes for this cartridge. I know it a little bit from before. the one. So, it's time to sum up this test. With an average of 14.12 mm, you have to be happy with the results. I've used several of these rounds before and with great success. I've used them up to 200-250 meters on steel and they work great. And I promise you, in a later test I'm gonna use it up to 300 meters. So, should you buy them and test them? Sure, they are a safe bet. See you later.